What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, month and a half. I've had a bunch of other stuff to do. Today it's not really anything special. We're gonna go and fix the oopsies of the wife and put in some LED headlights. As far as the escort video that'll be, or probably has been released, I had a bunch of videos of the car getting lifted and put into a crusher and crushed. Unfortunately, by the time I got around to downloading them, they weren't available. So I had to record what my phone had on it using a GoPro. Well, let's get at it. Okay, I got the splash guard out of the way so that way I can have access behind this to push this bumper out and to get access to that bulb up there. I think I should invest in a head cam holder so that way I can record and you guys can see what I'm doing. As far as these clips that Honda uses, I wish I had a trim tool because screwdrivers don't work really well on them. They break. Okay, so I attempted to push this out by hand. It is really stuck in there. I've seen tricks of people using hot water. I really don't want water out here in my shop's floor. So the next best thing to a heat gun is the wife's hair dryer. See if I can one hand this. Low, high. Hot. I think I might need to invest in a heat gun. Yeah. I don't think the hair guy is going to do it. Might have to think of something else. It's not warming up at all. So, maybe this will work? We'll find out. All right. Since I'm still waiting on the heat source to warm up the bumper, it's actually working. It's made it more malleable. As you see, if I didn't blind you here, LED, halogen. The wife will be able to see better, and then I got to clean up those headlights with the mini buffer, make them look a little better. But we'll continue working. Oh, it's been on here a while. Look at that. Almost brand new. Just a little spot there. I'm gonna use this. Hopefully stretch your back out there. We're not trying to make it perfect, we're just trying to make it look better. Paint's all cracked on it. Turn the heat off and work it while it cools. I say that'll do. And there we have it. Short, simple. Replace some LEDs, fix the bumper cover. Wife will be happy. I won't be in the doghouse. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I get some more episodes coming out. I'm trying to get heat in the barn. I was kind of thinking about doing a GoFundMe for that, because yeah, the propane tank that's out there leaks, and the company that I'm dealing with is a pain in my butt. But we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.